Today I'm going to do the Exploring Density Lab. Right here I have my 7 cups prepared with my sugar solutions. I have it from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60%. I have all my materials here. Graduated cylinder, the whey boats, the purified water, the sugar, and the beverage, a flat carbonated beverage. I already prepared the solutions and let the sugar dissolve in them. We're gonna begin activity 1. Activity 1, using the balance, record the mass of each cylinder in grams. Here we got the cylinders. We got the aluminum, the acrylic, and the polyethylene cylinders. All 3 right here. So I'm gonna weigh first the aluminum one. I got 4.40 grams for the silver. For the acrylic, I got 2 grams. And the polyethylene cylinder, I got 1.6 grams. Now it says using a ruler, measure the height and the diameter of each cylinder in centimeters. So for the silver one, the height I got 1.2 centimeters. And for the diameter, .2 also, it seems like. Yeah, about 1.2 it seems like. So the radius will be half of the diameter for each one. So now I'm gonna get the height for the acrylic one. It looks like 1.2 also. And it looks the diameter looks about 1.3. Now for the polyethylene one. Looks like I got for the length about 1.3. And for the diameter, looks about 1.3 also. And like I said, for the radius is half of the diameter. Now it wants me to calculate the volume of each cylinder using the equation V equals pi r 2h. So the volume for the aluminum one, I'm gonna do the volume for the aluminum cylinder, and it's, again, it'll be V equals pi r 2h. And pi is approximately 3.14. So I'm gonna do for the volume is gonna be pi times 0.65, which is the radius, times 2 times 1.3, which is the height. For the volume, for the aluminum, I got 0.5306. So now I'm gonna do the one for the acrylic. I got about 4.898. Now I'm gonna do the one for the polytheno. We'll do pi times the radius times 2 times the height, which is 1.3, 3.4 times 0.65 times 2 times 1.3 equals 5.306. And then it wants me to calculate the density. The density is D equals mass over volume. So the mass for the aluminum cylinder is 4.40 divided by the volume, which I got 5.30. And for the density, I got 0.83 for the aluminum cylinder. Now I'm doing the acrylic one. The acrylic one is the mass, which I got 2, divided by the volume, which I got 4.89. The density for the acrylic one is 0.40. So now for the polytheno, do density over mass over volume. The mass for the polytheno was 1.60 divided by the volume, which was 5.30. And I got 0.30 for the density on that one. And that completes activity 1.